Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this tutorial, we would learn how to import the other software data in the form of objects in Microsoft Excel. To do this, just click on Insert and then here in the text option in 2016, just click on that and we have objects. After clicking on these objects guys, we have the list of object types like the WordPad, Word, PowerPoint, okay, Adobe Acrobats, document, PDF, AutoCAD drawings, whatever is a software installed in your computer, will all formats will shown here. For example, if I select bitmap and press OK, then the things which you drawn on this paint will imported in Excel in the form of bitmap. Okay, bitmap image. For example, I am creating this figure. Okay, so this is the figure and you want to import it on Excel. Click on this cross and you're done. Now here you can select and drag and you can place wherever you want guys. So this was Microsoft Excel importing objects. That's all for today. Thank you guys.
If you really like the content, then please like the video and click subscribe to see more videos like this. And don't forget to share this video with others. You can find the link to complete basics to advanced Excel tutorial in the description below, or you can visit mahagurus.com to see lots of other software courses. Thank you.